Hello hopefuls, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today and watching. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you my fall home tour for 2018 and just some different touches that I did here and there. I try not to do too much, but usually when I decorate for fall in my home, I'm also decorating for Thanksgiving. So that's how I always thought of it in my mind. So I hope you enjoy it, and thanks again for watching. I'm going to start in my entryway here, and I really had a lot of these pieces already. And in my entryway it's more traditional, but because of my dining room, but eventually I want to change that up. I do have a video on how I created these topiaries and a video on, I think, how I created these frames here for fall. And then this arrangement over here is just a basket I used to have in my bathroom. I just placed some flowers in here, put the pumpkin there, and I used all of this floral before in a Tablescape, and I'll make sure I link that as well. For my sconces, I switched out the clear glass and put the gold looking glass so it can match these candle holders, the blingy ones that I have right here. Moving on down the hallway, I have my gallery wall here that is still a working process, and I think I have maybe 3 spots to fill. But the only thing I have on this wall, and Josiah has written on my picture, y'all see that? But the only thing I have on this wall is I have one picture that is a fall picture. So that's why I'm sharing the gallery wall. So I have to finish this up. This area here is across from that gallery wall down my hallway above my stairs, and I really like how this turned out. I had this piece already in another area, and I made it rustic by doing really light brush strokes with the paintbrush, and I have to get that video out. And I did that to the bottom of this console table. And I like how it came out. It looks like they were paired together, but I used chalk paint and light brush strokes to do it, and it came out really well. I had a crate that I had on top of my kitchen cabinets, and I just placed a pillow in there. And most of all these items are from Dollar Tree. There may be one from Aldi or AC Moore, and the rest were from the Target One spot. So now this is my fireplace area, and I picked the farmhouse pumpkin sign up from Big Lots and those little wooden pumpkins from the Target One spot. And I really liked Big Lots sage green combo with the gold that they had this year, but I wanted to add a little bit more gold in it, or a little bit more fall colors in it, because it was just a little bit too bland for me, or I just wanted more warmth with it. So I added some touches of garland, some burlap leaves from Dollar Tree, some pumpkins, some garland I already had. I wrapped around the pumpkins. I put a little bit of twigs of leaves throughout the sprigs of leaves throughout the wreath here, and I thought it gave it a better look. I still couldn't find that green candle. If you guys are on Instagram, I was talking about that, how I couldn't find my home interiors and gifts green candle for the other one, but I know it's somewhere. I think it's in my Christmas stuff. But I really love this picture that says, for I know the plans I have for you. So I really love my fireplace. I just have it on. It's still hot outside, just for video purposes, but the heat's not on. And then this area is my right beside my fireplace, behind my couch. And you see Josiah over there playing. And I created this arrangement with this Target One Spot Hello Fall. And you see he has all his toys. My never-ending battle. But I like how this came out. I just enclosed everything into this tray that I got from, I think I got it from Home Goods or TJ Maxx a while ago. Marshall's I got it from. So over here on my bookshelf, which is to the left of the fireplace, I like to decorate this. I have to watch myself because I put too much decorations and not enough books. But I really always like how it comes out over here. And I really love the eucalyptus in this rose gold lantern style vase. Really nice. These books here, I turned them to the back. They were actually books that my mom had with some encyclopedias that she ordered when I had growing up. And I still have all of those, and I love those books. Have nursery rhymes, DIYs, and everything in them. And then here, guys, if you saw that haul where I picked up some pillows from my couch and then I took them right up under my coffee table or put them in the bin when I'm not using them because Josiah will stomp on them. So I wanted to add some throws. I have another one upstairs, and I want to get one more I've seen at Big Lots, and some pillows to add some warmth to these couches. Actually, these two are actually really warm when you sit down on them. It's just the recliner is not, because that's a different company that made that. So I have my home sign here from Target. And I just set my arrangement over there. I didn't really do anything with it. And I didn't do too much in my entertainment center this year. Maybe I will later, but I just placed some touches of pumpkins here and there. These little houses from the Target One Spot. And added some pictures in. Over here, I painted this console table. My mom had the same table growing up, and so I have it now, and it was brown. So if you guys remember that from my living room tour, it was brown. I see here that Josiah nicked it up, so I'm gonna have to touch that up, and I also need to put a clear wax on it. But I really like the color of this. I also painted JJ's furniture in his room this color, and it's really pretty. I just absolutely love chalk paint. And this arrangement to the left was also brown, and I colored that with chalk paint as well. So this chair here is not our fave, so my husband said maybe we'll sell that. We was talking about that last night. Sell it and then purchase something new. It's not the same exact as everything else. And this is one of my woes, guys. So this is just a prettier version of all his toys. It's just a plum mess sometimes. So over here in my breakfast nook area, I've been sharing, I think on the channel, but also on Instagram and Facebook, how I'm updating this area and how I painted my table. Well, I go into detail later, but I got all of the table place settings, placemat, the runner from Big Lots, and I thought about returning it, but thinking the boys will mess it up. But they're doing a great job. They just move it out the way and eat and carry on with their business. So this tier stand, I really like it. I switch it out with the holidays. It's a really small stand I got from Walmart for like $11 or $20. It was on clearance. So I like dressing this up for the season. I think last year had more traditional colors in it. But I like how it always turns out for every season. Putting like little Mod Podge of little things in it. And here's the bench that I added fabric to it. It used to be in front of our bed, but again, I'll talk about that later. And I do want to switch out this cabinet that houses a lot of party supplies with something else I've been eyeing. But I also painted these with chalk paint over a year ago and just finally found something to put them in. I painted the pumpkin as well with chalk paint, that green color. And I recently picked up those lamb's ear from Marshall's. I love those. I recently picked up this picture as well from Kirkland's, and I used these mason jars on a centerpiece last year for my Thanksgiving tablescape, and I thought I would use them this year as well. So this pumpkin was bright orange. I painted that as well, and I just did like touches of like oranges or golds throughout, not a whole lot, because I knew that I had more neutral colors in my theme. And to save money, what I did was did a lot of painting or switching things up, or just try to incorporate a few things that I had already, like the golds or the oranges, so I wouldn't have to go a total neutral look, because adding all those things can add up really fast. Over here is still a work in process, but I just have Trail's diploma there for now, and that's where we house all our mail and so forth. And there's Josiah at the table messing with something. But this area is almost done, and I'll share with you guys soon. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, there's always hope. Happy fall, guys.